There you go. Drop your arms down off the table. Take a big breath in, then out. Relax right there. Yeah, see. Very good. We got one more right down here. Good. There we go. Okay, let's go. Go ahead and sit up for me. You just swing your legs this way. That's what I gotta get for your migraines. Yeah, scooch that way there.
This way?
Yep, go right in the middle on that crack. Yep, perfect. You're good. So I just gotta get up on the table and get up to the base of your skull. Last time I cut myself out of the frame. Do this every time. Completely cut myself out of the frame. I was like, oh, there's an elbow. Okay, so we're gonna go right up here to the base of the skull. Okay, drop your head, dear. You're gonna roll. There you go. Yeah, just like that. Relax his shoulder. There we go. I know. I know. That one's a lot. Okay, and this one, this set's gonna be a little different. We're gonna go back this way. I ordered a camera too, and it'll have like a flip screen, so I can actually see what the heck it's looking at. Okay, drop your head down. There you go. Drop right in my hand. There. You okay?
Yeah, that felt nice.
Yeah. The other one's the one that's stuck's a little bit rougher. Okay, now we're going to go on your back. Face up. Lift your head for me. Lift your head for me. You're good. You're good. Okay. Good. Just relax everything down. There you go. How far down your back do you feel that? Like mid back?
I don't know if it even got that far.
Top of your neck?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. There, drop all these muscles down. There, relax it. I gotcha. There you go. Cool. That's, just had to sneak it up on you a little bit. Okay, you're good, just stay right there. I can tell you. All I gotta do is look.
I think it was. I thought it was before I came home. Before the end of the semester, but my mother doesn't think so.
Wow, we're gonna find out who's right or wrong. Relax that down right there. Well, that one made noise.
Yeah.
Okay. Same thing. Relax right here. There we go. Okay, dear. Come on up.